Hello class, today we are going to be learning about alliterations. Our objective today is to identify alliterations and create our own alliteration sentences. First off, the definition of an alliteration is the occurrence of the same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. Well, that definition sounds very confusing. So, a simpler definition is when words that start with the same sound, not just the same letter, are used repeatedly in a phrase or sentence. So there are three big rules for alliterations. Alliterations can be found anywhere in a poem or text. Second, a proper alliteration is not a repetition of letters, it is a repetition of sounds. And lastly, the third rule is the alliteration is the first letter in the word. However, that word does not need to be first in the sentence. So now what do we use alliterations for? Alliterations are to set a mood for a poem and to add speed and intensity. When you use an S sound, it can create a sense of shyness or danger. When we hear the sentence, "The snake slithered on the sidewalk," it gives us a sense of danger. Some examples are Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. This is also an example of a tongue twister, which means that if you don't enunciate your words, you could be messing up the sentence. Another example is Sally sells seashells by the seashore. The third example is Dan's dog dove deep in the dam, drinking dirty water as he dove. Now we can create our own alliteration sentence. First, we need to choose a letter. Then we need to follow the 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. The letter I have chosen for us today is M. I will read our example sentence first. Molly the monkey woke up on Monday and went to the mall to buy some makeup. We use who as Molly, what is the monkey, when is Monday, where is the mall, and why is to buy some makeup. The second example letter I chose is A. This sentence reads, Abigail the alligator always goes to Alabama to eat apple pie. The who is Abigail, the what is the alligator, the where or the when is always, the where is Alabama, and the why is to eat apple pie. So I encourage all of you to create your own alliteration sentences using our 5 W's. I want you to practice these before our next class so we are ready to use them for our writing workshops. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.